Talesong 6. Pointed roofs. I packed my bag. Boarding train at dawn, off to a school where I felt withdrawn. Lessons, lessons, words all swirl in my head. Teachers barking, I wish I were in bed. Corridors creak, stairs twist like a maze. I tiptoe past girls, their chatter and gaze. Learning to teach, finding my own stride, dreams tucked in corners I can't let slide. Life feels quiet, yet buzzing inside. Thoughts keep me company. Nowhere to hide. I write, I notice, every small scene. In classrooms, in halls, in moments between. The world is vast, but I start to see how little steps can shape what will be. I move through days with a careful grace, pointed roofs over me, life's steady pace. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.